Hello beautiful family, welcome to my channel. In today's video, what we have for you is homemade minced ginger paste that will last for 6 months and more. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First thing first, let's peel the ginger, and I am using spoon to do that. Yeah, you can use kitchen knife or potato peeler, there is no problem about that, but I'm just using what makes it easier for me. You can as well decide not to peel the ginger, alright, and use it with the skin like that, because ginger skin is very healthy. But why I am peeling mine is because my blender is not too strong to crush the peels together with the flesh. Yeah, just bear in mind that after peeling the ginger, I will go ahead to wash it off the camera and pat it dry as well, and then get back to you. Alright, after peeling, washing and patting the ginger dry, I divided the ginger into 2 equal parts, one for the minced ginger, which we are doing first, and second for the ginger paste. Now, as you can see, I am cutting the ginger in chunks to help my food processor, but if your food processor is very strong, you can skip this part and pour the peeled ginger directly to the food processor and mince until your desired shape and sizes. Once I'm done cutting the ginger in chunks, I will go ahead and add or pour the chopped ginger in my food processor and mince them beautifully. Yeah, have you liked this video? If no, please like the video to encourage us in your own little way. Thank you. The ginger is minced and I like these sizes, they look so beautiful. Next is to use any airtight jar or container you have at home to fill the minced ginger. Once that is neatly done, in this 1 cup of vegetable oil, add half tablespoon of salt and mix to combine until all the salt added dissolves. Once all the salt added are well dissolved, go ahead and add the mixture in the minced ginger till all the minced ginger are covered with the mixture, and that will prevent or preserve the minced ginger last longer and save you from preparing minced ginger from each and every fresh recipe. Once that is beautifully done, cover the minced ginger and store in the fridge to always be cold and be very comfortable to use it anytime, any day the need arises until after 6 months and more. Next is the ginger paste. It's been peeled already, as we all know. What we are doing here is just to cut them in chunks to help the blender as usual. Once that is well done, add them to the blender. So on this one, before adding the vegetable and salt mixture to it, which stand as a preservative, I will first of all crush the ginger further to help my blender as usual. And after crushing the ginger, I will go ahead and add the vegetable oil and salt mixture and blend everything until very smooth. Once the ginger paste is very smooth and nice to your desire, next is to fill the ginger paste in any airtight jar or container you have at home and store in your fridge for as long as 6 months or more. This is very easy and quick to make. Make yours at home today and save yourself some money and stress. You can as well decide to fill any of them in an ice cube tray, allowed to frozen or block, then transfer in a ziploc and store in your refrigerator, then use anytime, any day the need arises. This is my dream come true because it makes my cooking very easy, quick and perfect. Hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, like the video, share the video, drop your comment, and of course subscribe to our channel with your bell on to be notified anytime we upload a new video. From me and all my crew, thank you so much for watching. Always remember this, and we will see you in our next video. Bye bye.